Acuña, Acuña, suena la cuña.
Alonso, bienvenido. Alonso a esa gran fiesta. Somos Los Ángeles Zarcero 2025.
So more trucks are arriving, so it's going to be a lot of fun. More trucks arriving. People living nearby, enjoying the view from up there. So events like these are often paid because, well, they need to hire the grounds and logistics of organizing such an event. So more truckers coming in. It was like, get out of the way, I need to get through. Yeah. You can see people all there. It's just so much fun. People taking picture of your pride and joy. This trucker is probably about 2 hours away from here. It's just a lot of noise and chaos at the moment. So people taking pictures. So this is the cashier, the till, where everyone you pay, and then they give you, oh, you get a t-shirt. So that's what a t-shirt looks like once you've paid, and then they give you a wristband. And where is he from? Oh, it's about £30 to get in with your truck. All right. I said the Poseidon one was probably the prettiest truck, but I think I'm going to take this mini truck in place of the other one. Yeah, I think this is cuteness overload. It is absolutely unbelievable. Even the driver is so the smallest truck makes the most noise. So this is the second truck from the same company. So people obviously know each other, because if you go to some of these truck shows, you end up meeting the same people. Oh, that's loud. You end up meeting the same people, or sometimes you work with them, so you know them. And it's not as if Costa Rica is that big. Only about 5.5 million people. All right. So more people are arriving, and in most of these festivals or truck shows, it's not just about the truck. People actually bring their barbecue, chairs, and they spend the whole day here. So it's rather an interesting business. Another truck. The Poseidon one still looks better. This one is okay, but I think I prefer the other one. So this is the food section. Any truck show, you need food. It's getting filled up now, so I think it's going to be very difficult for them after a while, because the more truckers come in, the more difficult it's going to be to, well, to park. So it's going to get a bit rowdy. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's got a Jewish star there. That's an interesting thing. There are a lot of Jewish people also in Costa Rica, if you're wondering. More trucks coming with a religious God guide my way or something like that. So interesting. So there is a TV channel that tends to cover most of the truck events here. So you have and then so they interview people. You need to create content as well. So I'm quite surprised that there are so many trucks today, actually. And because we're in the mountains, as you can see, the mist just comes down the mountain and covers everything. It's not a bit chilly. The truck toy sellers are doing brisk business because you have a lot of children and so future people in the trade. So these are the trucks we saw earlier, and now you can get a closer look of the engine. Someone took this to the car wash. Really nice and clean. They've got animal car sound sound system behind the truck, and this one has another one too. I think this sound system sounds much better than some people's home surround sound system. Well, let's get a closer look. Nice. Oh, you could have people sitting at the back. That's really nice. All right, so I need to get to this side. So the engine is lowered to the floor because it's almost, it feels like a low rider. So this is very typical here at most of these events. So not only semi-trucks are allowed here, you have these normal classic low-ride trucks as well, representing, although in the minority. More people are arriving now because this is a time for food. Yeah, and when it's food, a lot of people here. Yeah, it's midday, so it's time to eat. You can't blame people for doing what normal humans do. That's a kid getting all emotional, thinking, "Mom, bring out your credit card or wallet. Pull out your wallet. I want that mini dirt bike." More people, and a lovely family picture here. Everyone posing, great. Another angle of the Poseidon truck. It just makes you hungry. You think you've just eaten, but the fact that others are eating, you want to eat as well. I think this is something you don't see in the Kentucky truck, where, you know, the food and everything is just on a different scale. More food, barbecue. I think this is on a low fire now because everyone's already eaten. More trucks coming in, but I think there's only one space left. So if another big truck comes in behind that one, I don't know where they're going to have to put him on top of another one. Who knows? I think what I like about these events is that it's just so family friendly. You don't really have to be a trucker to enjoy the trucks. So people come with their families, you see, the music, the dancing, the eating, and of course, more trucks coming in. Alright, let's go and see the noisemaker there. Alright, that's a truck. Oh, look at that. So people run in to go and catch a glimpse of that. That's it. That's how you do it. Move. The truck is not on fire. It's just that someone is a little trigger happy. And most of the people who actually attend these are local people. Some of them have families working in the trucking business. Others are just here to have a good time. So, if you pay $30, I think, you get two meals. So most of the truckers coming in get food as part of the entrance fee, and they get food and drinks. Wow, unbelievable. Motorcycles. So you got to call and answer. Two trucks having a go at each other. That one. And then the other one. Talk about saving the planet with all that smoke. More trucks on the way. I wonder where we're going to put them because the parking is full. Oh, this is nice. I like that sunshade thing. That's a really nice truck. Really nice. Oh, okay, now we're going to get a lot of noise. Someone's enjoying the music and letting it show. So, this tiny truck was there and they've just told him move because we have another VIP coming in. More trucks. Oh, this one is nice. I like the Yellowstone color. More trucks. Non-stop, another one. I think it's good for the organizers if people actually show up.
Estamos buscando al CRV-102, CRV-102 para correr un segundito. CRV-102 para correr un segundito, por favor.
Because what happened was that they organized one of these show parade, and they put it in during the week when most of the truckers were working, and most didn't show up because it was useless. Yeah, there's something about trucks, horns, and train horns that just makes you happy. You go back home deaf, but very happy. So it's not only about trucks, sometimes it's also about the music. Okay, the music stopped. Never mind. Ronaldo in the house there. Of all the trucks here, the mini lowrider truck and the one next to it seems to be the ones that attract the most attention for multiple reasons. They've got the engine open. The engine was open, and also you've got access. You can actually see inside the truck, so it was easier for people just to get closer, up close and personal. So it's an opportunity to film and post on social media. Show the people who didn't come, look what you missed. You missed the fun up in the mountains with all the trucks and the mist. I wonder if more trucks are coming, because now they are struggling to park them. So the drivers are they're probably just going to line them in the middle of the road now. So they're having to reverse back and park. But if you're a truck driver, that shouldn't be a problem. If you don't have your trailer and you can't reverse and properly park, you shouldn't be driving one of these. Get a mini or something. Okay. Oh, this one's got a massive double cabin, so it must have a nice bed there somewhere. More people showing up.
A ver para Chelito.
So people Oh, I thought they were going to go at it. A little dance move there. So more people are arriving now in the afternoon. So it seems like some people will probably just have lunch at home, and then about 1, 2 o'clock they'll show up and then walk around, take a selfie with the trucks, and then it's just a family affair here. Someone opened the Peterbilt truck engine just now, so you can get a quick look. I'm gonna try to get a closer look. Oh, he's going to put a sticker there somewhere, but interesting. Oh, I'm surprised he's putting it on the inside. I was expecting to put it on the outside. All right, never mind.
El Club del Trailero.
So the trucks, well, not the trucks, and you have these cattle and the pig there. So cows, all these are. So if you have your truck, you can take some of these and buy these and chuck it at the back and take it home with you.